had a customer come in with a 2009 Ford F-150, and the paint had delaminated up here. All this paint had delaminated from about here to here, and so I wanted to get all the trim and the glass and everything out so I could paint it and do it right. So we opened the door up. Let me get it in here. I still got the trim butt torn apart. So we opened the door, we took the trim panel off, undid all of the mechanism, and it's got a window regulator, it's got everything to roll the window up and down, but no switches, no electronics, no nothing. Could not figure out how to roll this window down. Looked on the dash, looked on YouTube, looked everywhere, could not figure out how to roll the window down. So I decided I'll just take the window apart, I'll take the regulator out and drop the window down and figure this thing out. Well, as I got ready to take it all apart, I noticed an Allen screw right here. I thought, what the heck is that for? So I grabbed my screwdriver and I started screwing it down, and lo and behold, it actually has everything in it to roll the window up and down. If it had electrics to it, electric motor, it'd roll up and down. But this is the only way on a base model to roll the window down is to get in there with a torque screwdriver and roll it up and down. So I roll it down, took the parts out, blended the door, got everything done, put it back on. But if anybody's got this your truck, your windows do roll up and down, but there's no hole in the trim panel to do it. I guess Ford just didn't want to spend the extra money to wire the darn thing up. And so that's just your base model with the window that rolls down. You have to drill a hole about that big, go through the trim panel and roll it down, or you can actually buy, I believe, a manual window regulator, and then you can roll these things up and down manually by drilling a hole through the panel and putting a door handle on it. But go figure, Ford.